So each video actually I am trying to show you people what I do for my client and then for my own experience. I want to show people so that people can do everything. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the Shopify product bulk product price. So everything I'm going to show you step by step. So all you have to do, I have to go to my product client price. So actually my client updated all the product and then I'm going to copy the, first of all I have to identify the product. Okay, so this product actually have in my store, so I have to find out, and then it's called I have to find out. So there is a solution. What the solution? I have to click on the search option and paste it. And after that my product will show front of me. I will click on that and then I will see the product price front of the sheet. So my product price, this is the my actually client actually calculated, and then I said that yeah, I can do that. My client said you have a lot of pressure, so I give me the opportunity to do that. And my client did that, so I'm gonna click on over here and then bulk it. So this way we can customize it. So I'm gonna paste it on over here, and then after that I will actually change that. So this is a dropshipping pricing changing. So all I have to do is just I have to click on over here. And if you don't know how to change the dropshipping product price and how this is how you should calculate, if you don't know, you need to comment me and then I will create a specific video for that, guys. So I'm gonna click on over here and then drag and drop, and then this way it will be safe. Let's click on the save option again. Let's click on the back, and then after that all I have to do just I need to click back, and then after that I will go to the next product. So I will show you one more product so that you can actually do it by yourself. So first of all I have to do, I need to search the product name. So by clicking here, search that, and then after that I'm gonna paste it, and all I have to do, I need to select, and then after that I'm gonna go to the price again, and then I'm gonna click on over here and then click come to here. After that all I have to do, I need to find out the product price. Okay, so this is the product price. Let's paste it, and after that I will make it 2x. So after that, guys, as you say that two product pricing this system different, because one product have a variant, so this pricing changing style different, and another have a different mode. So all I have to do, you have to do different way. So that's why I showed you different way. So let's click on the save option so it will be saved. So guys, this is pretty much of our video. So if you want to know about my agency, this is our agency that is called Creative Web Boost. Here is our portfolio. If you don't trust me, just go to my agency website, see our previous homepage work, product page work and collection page work, and if you go to my homepage, and then you will be able to see my previous work, client review, all these things. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.